Minister defends female captain amidst naval ship sinking controversy. Defense Minister criticizes online trolls targeting female captain after naval ship incident. Minister emphasizes that captain's gender was irrelevant to the naval ship sinking. Public urged to focus on facts instead of gender-based assumptions about leadership. Minister stands firm against online harassment, advocating for equality in military roles. The incident highlights ongoing challenges women face in leadership within traditionally male fields. Stay informed with us for more insightful news updates.